Hello, Toastmaster Vishal. Good evening. Welcome to A Toast to the Masters, an initiative of Division N, where we interact with the gems of Toastmasters, either newbies or seasoned Toastmasters from all areas, N1 till N4.
Thank you, Toastmaster Kirtiraj, for the warm welcome.
So, Toastmaster Vishal, what is the difference between Vishal and Toastmaster Vishal?
The difference is basically Vishal used to think that speaking is just delivering, and Toastmaster Vishal knows what actually speaking is and what that communication is a broad concept than just speaking.
Fantastic. So, Toastmaster Vishal, when I said area N1 to N4, what made you feel? Like, did you feel a belongingness towards our division, or did you feel like, okay, there is diversity, and then Toastmasters is actually providing a leadership opportunity?
Basically, see, it's kind of diversity because I can, if there's a belongingness also to the division, that's a different part. But when I came to it was like Toastmasters Club, and I attended the as a guest in Division N. Okay, so that was something I liked about. But the only thing which was like I want that diversity, and that's where unity in diversity I learned from it. So that's not like just the division in belongingness.
That's fantastic. Like, we all as Toastmasters should understand this, that we are not a part of any subset, rather, we are a part of the global community.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. So, Toastmaster Vishal,
Yeah.
would you please recommend some kind of tips, like as a Toastmaster, if you have a conversation with your friends, would you recommend Toastmasters to them? And if yes, why? If no, why?
Surely, Toastmaster Kirtiraj, I'll recommend to my friends. Because see, what I earlier told also that I used to think that communication is just a smaller concept, but on the whole is a very broad concept. Now, when I use this word very broad now, I used to think that very broad is okay. But in the Toastmaster meeting, there was one grammarian who told me that broad itself is a word which is huge. What is the need of very there? So these are the minute talks, and there's a lot like speaking, listening, learning, comprehension, interpretation, and there's a lot you can develop, not just speaking but your leadership and lot more. Like it's an experience of a journey which one should definitely go for it, so I'll recommend that surely.
Life is a beautiful journey, Toastmaster Vishal. That's what I learned from your experience about Toastmasters. So, one thing which I would like to know from you is, was there any specific fear when, like, you thought about, okay, let me join Toastmasters, but there's something which prevented me from joining in or like giving my best. So, there are times when we actually have some kind of fears within ourselves, and then we do not give our best. So, in that context, what is the fear, your greatest kind of dragging thing in Toastmasters, and how you overcame it?
See, what I used to think is, you everyone has that butterflies in his stomach, whether he's a good speaker, whether he's not or she's not. But whenever it used to be like, whenever I used to give, I have attended the different contests. There were different types. Like I have joined Toastmasters as a guest. Have attended in a physical meeting, but afterwards my whole journey has been in a this virtual thing. So it used to be like in my contest, I faced a network glitch, and man, that humorous speech converted to a sad speech, and that was something I thought about it. I had that fear, like it created some fear in me. But later I have another contest, and that was like a table topic, so normal speech. And when I used that my humorous speech contest, that speech in other like club meeting, at that time it was like, no, even whatever is there, you don't need to worry about. Like there are the times when you don't know the context, you don't know the content, you don't know the situations. So the fear used to be like, will I be able, if I don't have the content, will I able to speak? Well, table topics made me realize, no, impromptu is your actual thoughts. So that used to be the fear, like if don't I don't have content, will I be able to speak? And that's I'm overcoming slowly and slowly, which is coming.
That's great. It's always a gradual process. So, Toastmaster Vishal, what makes you renew your Toastmasters membership again and again?
Basically, see, whenever there's a membership of like I have to renew, like the first time when I joined, it was like there are the times, one thing which I keep in my mind, oh, my level 1 is completed, I have not completed level 2, I have to complete that level 2. And that, just whenever there are many a times that I'm busy, I have to lose the meetings, like I can't attend the meetings. At that time I feel like it's okay. But there's that last 5 time, they like 5 days pending, like you have to renew, you have to renew. That's constant reminder in my head is like, Vishal, you're losing something. Like, if I'll not go for it, how will I be able to learn a difference between usage of very, not with broad, just broad? And how will I overcome my all communication broad concept? Because still, even if you are good at some points, there is a lot scope of improvement required. So that I feel, and that's where learn from my mentors in Toastmasters, and it's a great journey, and I can lose, step back in a journey. So that's something which I find.
That's so incredible, Toastmaster Vishal. What I personally feel is this is where we actually get to grow so much. And Toastmaster Vishal, I actually got to see that you are someone who is a cheerful Toastmaster and lives every single moment in Toastmasters. I would like to really thank you for giving your valuable time for a toast to the masters. Hope you enjoyed our today's conversation.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Kirtiraj. It was really, from my day full, it was like I was a little tired. But the thing, I had that moment here. Like, actually felt that Toastmasters journey is just not meetings, it's a lot more than that. And I have to renew my next membership. And that's, I'll do it surely. It was great to have this one on one conversation.
Very true. Thank you
Thank you,
so
Toastmaster
much.
Kirtiraj.
Have a nice day.
Thank you so much.